Imagine stepping into a living space where time seems to slow, where comfort reigns supreme, and where every piece tells a story. Welcome to the enchanting world of shabby chic living rooms, a haven of soft hues, vintage charm, and effortless elegance. It's a style that invites you to breathe deeply, relax, and surround yourself with beauty that's both timeless and lived in. Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we explore the essence of captivating interior styles. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the soothing, romantic world of shabby chic living rooms. Let's uncover the key elements that make this style so enduringly popular and undeniably comfortable. As we journey through the characteristics of shabby chic, allow your imagination to wander, envisioning spaces that speak to your soul and invite you to linger. Before we dive deeper into the world of shabby chic, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Visionary Designs. Your support helps us continue bringing you these immersive design journeys. Now, let's explore the charming universe of shabby chic living rooms. At its heart, shabby chic is a celebration of imperfection and lived-in beauty. It's a style that whispers rather than shouts, inviting you to relax and unwind in spaces that feel both elegant and comfortably worn. This design philosophy embraces the passage of time, finding beauty in the patina of age and the stories etched into every surface. Imagine sinking into a plush sofa, its slipcover in soft white or ecru, slightly rumpled, as if it's just been luxuriated in. The fabric is soft against your skin, inviting you to stay a while longer. Picture walls in gentle, muted tones, soft whites, pale pinks, or cool grays, creating a canvas for an interplay of textures and subtle patterns. These hues set the stage for a room that feels like a warm embrace. In a shabby chic living room, every piece has a story. Vintage furniture, lovingly repurposed, brings character and charm. A coffee table might bear the marks of many gathered evenings, its distressed paint adding to its allure rather than detracting from it. These pieces don't just furnish a room, they infuse it with history and personality. The shabby chic aesthetic celebrates the beauty of wear and tear. A slightly chipped vase becomes a unique treasure, while a faded rug tells tales of countless footsteps. It's a style that reminds us that perfection isn't always found in the flawless, but in the perfectly imperfect. Light plays a crucial role in shabby chic spaces. Imagine sunlight filtering through sheer, billowing curtains, casting a soft glow across the room. This gentle illumination creates an atmosphere of tranquility and warmth. Crystal chandeliers, their prisms creating dancing rainbows, add a touch of faded glamour. The interplay of light and shadow brings depth and dimension to the space, highlighting the subtle textures and patterns that define shabby chic. Textiles are abundant and inviting. Think soft linens, faded florals, and weathered leather. Layers of cushions and throws in complementary pastel shades invite you to nestle in and stay a while. These fabrics aren't just decorative, they're an integral part of the room's comfort, offering tactile pleasure and visual interest. Decorative elements are carefully curated, but appear effortlessly arranged. Vintage mirrors with ornate frames lean casually against walls, their tarnished surfaces reflecting light in intriguing ways. Collections of mismatched china or silver photo frames grouped together, telling tales of times past. Each piece is chosen not just for its appearance, but for the emotions and memories it evokes. Nature often finds its way into shabby chic spaces. Fresh flowers in simple, rustic containers bring life and a pop of color to the muted palette. Botanical prints or pressed flowers in weathered frames pay homage to the natural world, reinforcing the connection between indoors and out. One of the joys of shabby chic is its forgiving nature. It's a style that embraces the art of mixing and matching, creating spaces that feel evolved over time rather than designed in a day. A delicate Victorian side table might sit comfortably next to a rustic wooden chest, their contrasting styles creating a harmonious dialogue of eras and aesthetics. Floral patterns mingle with stripes and solids, creating a harmonious tapestry of textures and designs. This interplay of patterns adds depth and interest to the space without overwhelming the senses. It's a delicate balance that, when achieved, results in a room that feels both cohesive and charmingly eclectic. This eclectic approach extends to accessories too. Imagine a mantelpiece adorned with a mix of ornate candelabras, weathered hardcover books, and sprigs of fresh lavender in simple mason jars. Each piece adds to the story, creating a space that feels curated over time rather than decorated in a day. It's this layered approach that gives shabby chic spaces their unique character and inviting warmth. Above all, shabby chic living rooms are sanctuaries of comfort. They invite you to put your feet up, to linger over conversations, to lose yourself in a good book. The soft color palette soothes the senses, while the abundance of cushions and throws creates countless nooks for relaxation. Can you feel the stress melting away as you imagine sinking into a generously sized armchair, its fabric soft against your skin? Or picture yourself curled up on a window seat, watching the world go by as you're cocooned in comfort? These spaces are designed not just to be looked at, but to be lived in and loved. The comfort of shabby chic extends beyond the physical. These rooms offer emotional comfort too, surrounding you with objects that have history and meaning. In a world that often moves too fast, shabby chic living rooms offer a respite, a place to slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with what truly matters. Shabby chic is more than just a design style. It's an invitation to slow down and appreciate the beauty in imperfection. It's about creating spaces that feel loved and lived in, where every chip and scratch adds to the story. As you consider bringing elements of shabby chic into your own living room, remember that this style is as much about feeling as it is about looking. It's about creating a space that wraps you in comfort, that invites you to relax and be yourself, surrounded by pieces that resonate with your personal history and style. Embrace the philosophy of shabby chic, and you'll find yourself creating not just a beautiful room, but a personal sanctuary where memories are made and every item tells a part of your unique story. If you've been inspired by our journey into the world of shabby chic living rooms, we'd love to hear from you. Share in the comments which elements of shabby chic speak to you most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Visionary Designs for more captivating interior style explorations. Until next time, may your living spaces be a perfect reflection of your personal style, comfortable, beautiful, and filled with the stories of your life. Thank you for joining us on this design adventure, and we look forward to welcoming you back for our next exploration of visionary interiors.